G'day and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got my two workshop foremen, my bosses, keeping an eye on me, and we're going to do a little bit of work on the Torana, and then I'm taking you down to Rouse Hill for the cars and coffee at Supercheap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Old school only is go. So a couple of changes since you've seen it last. I was having issues with it misfiring and carrying on. I changed everything. I changed the whole ignition system. I put an electronic ignition on that came off this motor originally. It's an aftermarket one, but it was just to eliminate, because I've new plugs, new coil, new leads, new points condenser. I didn't fix it. Put the new dizzy in. It's the last thing that I could do. Still didn't fix it. And I realised that it was my manifold, my side draft. The problem I had with that manifold, the carburetor was excellent, but I couldn't, the way it was designed, I couldn't clamp it down hard enough, and it was getting air. And as soon as I put this other carby back on it, it's running fantastic. So I'm just going to leave this one on for now. I've got plans for a bigger motor, cut down the track, and I'll probably do some triples on it when that happens. But right now, we'll keep it reliable. Still sounds good. But one thing it doesn't do, and it hasn't done since I built it, it doesn't get hot. Like, I've just driven this, and it doesn't get hot. So the motor's always cold. And the reason that is, I haven't got a thermostat in there. So I've got a thermostat. We'll take that off, replace a thermostat, and that'll raise my temperature up so it's just not cold and stalling all the time. So changing your thermostat's pretty easy. This one especially, because it's got an O-ring gasket. It's got like an aftermarket red line thermostat housing. First thing you have to do, this one doesn't have it, so I don't have to worry about it. But if you're using me as a tutorial and you've got a heater, you need to put your heater on hot. That way you drain all of the water. If your heater's on cold, there's a little tap and it'll block the water, so you'll end up with an airlock in your cooling system. So always put your heater on hot, and then once you've put your water in it, finish the job, put your water in it, and the engine's warmed up, then you can turn your heater back onto cold, because it makes it flow, you know what I mean? So this one is a little bit warm because I was driving it this morning. So we'll just see how much pressure's in there. A little bit of pressure, but don't do this at home. Oh, come on. Trying it. Okay, pressure's gone. Okay, let's loosen off this bottom radiator hose. So I'm going to stick my hose in there and give it a good flush. And while that's flushing out, let's go down to Rouse Hill, Supercheap, and we'll have a look around there. I'll be back here when we're done. Morning, legends. This morning I'm off to Rouse Hill Supercheap Auto for cars and coffee. It's cold. Sun's just not even cracking over the mountains yet. But I'll show you around when we get there. Well, we're here. It's 1 degree. It's 1 degree above freezing. Yeah, anyway, it's cold. A little warm up. Got my coffee. I'll do this and I'll have a walk around.
Waking up early on a Sunday morning. It's dark outside and my eyes are burning. Gotta get up and get ready. There's a caution warning, you gotta get there early. Ice on the windscreen and the choke's not working. It's freezing cold and the clutch is jerking. Trying not to wake the neighbors, but I am failing. Big pipes, big cam, it's Sunday morning. Need fuel, forgot to wash it, ice windscreen. Can't see, keep stalling, spilt my drink, no cup holders. Sunday morning, cars and coffee with your mates. I get there, it's full already. Get pointed back, I'm a little disappointed. Coffee lines out the door, bacon roll stall closed, cause there's no more, but it's gonna...
This 55 Chevy, check it out. It's got original 34,000 miles on it, unrestored. They've taken the blue flame out and put a racing engine. I was talking to the owners just a minute ago. Racing motor and gearbox. Look at the interior, it's all original. Still has the plastic covers over everything. Back seat, door trims. Absolutely amazing condition. I thought my 57 was in good nick. This thing hasn't been rubbed through at all. A little bit of fading and stuff, but that's a beautiful 55. Aussie delivered one.
Disappointed, coffee lines out the door, bacon roll store closed, cause there's no more, but it's gonna be a great day. Need fuel, forgot to wash it, iced windscreen. Can't see, keep stalling, spilt my drink, no cup holders. Sunday morning, cars and coffee with your mates.
I don't know why we don't get these in Australia like proper. I reckon they'd go well.
Need fuel, forgot to wash it, iced windscreen. Can't see, keep stalling, spilled my drink, no cup holders. Sunday morning, cars and coffee with your mates. Waking up early on a Sunday morning. It's dark outside and my eyes are burning. Gotta get up and get ready. There's a caution warning, you gotta get there early. Ice on the windscreen and the choke's not working. It's freezing cold and the clutch is jerking. Trying not to wake the neighbors, but I am failing. Big pipes, big cam, it's Sunday morning. Need fuel, forgot to wash it, ice windscreen. Can't see, keep stalling, spilt my drink, no cup holders. Sunday morning, cars and coffee with your mates. I get there, it's full already. Get pointed back, I'm a little disappointed. Coffee lines out the door, bacon roll stall closed, cause there's no more, but it's gonna be a great day. I get there, it's full already. Get pointed back, I'm a little disappointed. Coffee lines out the door, bacon roll stall closed, cause there's no more, but it's gonna be a great day. Need fuel, forgot to wash it, iced windscreen. Can't see, keep stalling, spilt my drink, no cup holders. Sunday morning, cars and coffee with your mates.
This is a Motomons Land Cruiser. It's got an LS in it. Chopped, jag front, lowered, big diff, fully engineered. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Very cool. Well, that was a nice little event. Met a few people, a few subscribers. Awesome catching up with you guys, hearing your stories. And it blows me away, you know, hearing stuff about how I'm inspiring you to get out of bed and do things and get off the couch, and that makes it all worth it for me. It's just unreal. But anyway, I'm going to head on home. I've got things to do to the Chevy. Let's go. So my favourite car at that event was that 55 Chev. What an awesome car, and I got to speak to the owners. Young lady's grandfather used to own it. He used to race Chevys, and he bought that years ago to restore, believe it or not. The things are unbelievably immaculate. 34,000 original miles on it, and yeah, I've not seen one that original. Not in 2025 anyway. Not in the 2000s.
Well, she ain't real pretty and she ain't too fast, but you can guarantee she's built to last. My Torana is an ugly bucket, but she's shiny on the inside.
That's that off. Like I said, O-rings, beautiful.
Well, we found her in the middle of the gold fields,
Brush the motor.
going rusty like she didn't have no more repeat. But we dragged her out and now she's running. The little help from my friends.
Righto, that'll do.
Driving and she's driving just
Look at that.
fine. My Golden Nugget.
I might just stick it back in there while we're replacing this. New thermostat. Yeah. 82 degrees Celsius. Spring to the bottom. Some would say replace the O-ring, Paulie. You know what, I would if I had one, but this one isn't that old. So we're gonna do it my way and chuck it back in. But it's still got a little bit of spring in it step. It'll be fine. You know what? Let's take it off the hose.
On the inside, and she's running just fine. My Golden Nugget. Well, my Golden Nugget and my friends have been through a lot of late nights and big days just to put her back on the road again. She may be a little bit different from the others, but she gets me home.
Righto, that's in. Thermostat is in. With these O-ring ones, just do it evenly. Torque it down evenly so you're not squashing it out one side. Just progressively was probably the better word. And then just about 2 ooga-doogas. Perfect. Righto, so we're just chucking in some coolant. It's antifreeze, anti-corrosion, and that's what you want, especially when you're running alloy radiator. If you're not running antifreeze, you're going to prematurely clog your radiator up. So, good idea. Come on, child safety cap. Mum. Oh, I got it. Just chuck the whole lot in. I'm not into buying premix. I can premix it myself. So can you. Just get the concentrate. Yeet. Yeet. Where's the hose? Righto, she's filling up. One thing you do want to do is, now we've got a thermostat in there. Like I was talking about the heater, you have to have the heater open. We'll need to make sure the thermostat's open as well. And how do we do that? We run the engine until it does, and then we can top it up, and then we can put the radiator cap on. And then
I'm gonna come in there and I'm gonna put my foot in your ass.
So what's going to happen when that thermostat opens, that water level is going to drop. And the amount I put in would be the amount of airlock that you've got if you don't do this after you start it. We're just going to wait. It'll bubble and carry on and mix around, but when that thermostat opens, which will be in a while, that'll drop down. So that's opened up now. Now it's lower. As you can see, got a bit of steam coming out, and the water in there is hot. So we're safe to top that up and put the radiator cap on. Yeah, look at that. It's the first time. The gauge is normally sitting right down here. Now we have operating temperature. That is very, very cool. Nice, I like it. So before I leave yous, I'm chasing a passenger side rear door, a decent one. For those that watch the series, that door's cactus down there and up across here. And yes, I am still looking at two-dooring this thing, but it won't be till next year. I've got too many other things going on. So in the meantime, wouldn't mind replacing that door. It's not a big issue, but if someone's got one they can help me out with, decent one, that'd be fantastic. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Short but sweet. Had a good day down at the Cars and Coffee. It was great meeting some of you blokes. Like I said before, really touched by some of the words some people are saying, that I've been an inspiration. Makes it all worth it. It blows my mind. But anyway, that's it from me. Stay tuned. Be good to your mates. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. It's not weak to speak, mate. Get it out. Talk to your mates. Make yourself a little bit accountable, and you watch how things will change for you. Anyway, stay cool. Awesome foursome. Love yous. See yous later.
Buffy, how are you? Here he comes. Hello, mate. Hello. Ah, that other dog. How you going?